this video we will learn about what is stem and leaf method. A stem and leaf plot or stem plot is a technique used to classify either discrete or continuous variables. A stem and leaf plot is used to organize data as they are collected. A stem and leaf plot looks something like a bar graph. Each number in the data is broken down into a stem and a leaf, thus the name. The stem of the number includes all but the last digit. The leaf of the number will always be a single digit. More I would explain in an example. A stem and leaf plot is a special table where each data value is split into a stem, the first digit or digits, and a leaf, usually the last digit. Like in this example, 32 is split into 3 stem and 2 leaf. Okay, I would like to more justify in these 10 digits like 15, 21, 23 and so on. So the first digit is stem. In this table we can understand the first digits are stem and the second digits are leaf. So 1 5 1 6 2 1 3 3 6 6, these are leaf. So 3 is stem and 0 2 leaf. So 41 is a digit, so 4 is stem and 1 is leaf. I hope this video will very helpful to you understand the stem and leaf method. Need your feedback, like this video, comment and share. Thanks for watching.